Generally, when it comes to injection molded components, you want the thickness to be as consistent as possible, especially on adjacent walls. You don't want to go from a really thin wall to a really thick wall, or else you're going to have a lot of manufacturing defects, warpage, things like that that are going to make the product not look so nice. You want to have the same thickness, and if not the same thickness, you want to make sure that the transition is very gradual. But what the thickness analysis allows you to do is set up a standard thickness, which I have this as 0.25. That's a little bit thick for a lot of materials when it comes to injection molding, but it's just a quick reference that I typed in here. Are you looking for to try to find things that are thinner than that or then thicker than that? For example, I can choose show thin regions and then calculate, and it's going to go through, examine the body for anything thinner than expected. And you can see here, it gets down to 0.22 up here at the top. And as you hover it, you can actually see the thickness. So that gives you a really quick way to get an idea of, is this pretty gradual, or do you see a hard line here from where it's good to all of a sudden it's a dark red? And that's going to be a nice place to focus on it and make sure that you add some type of fillet or anything to make that a little bit more gradual.